Hello Internet, I'm Stephen Gandolfi.
And I'm Timothy Van Riper.
And boy do you people like Michters. We've got some new bags for you this week, as we have been rolling out every week here. We'll start with one of our wine bags. This is going to be our Pacific Northwest bag. It's got some really lovely wines. There's a little A to Z Pinot Noir Rosé here, a little Milbrandt Merlot, which if you haven't had the Milbrandt Merlot, this is a reason to get back into Merlot. You know, we kind of forget how fleshy they can be, the lovely soft tannins they have, and they can just be these really lovely little fruit-forward wines. And then this guy is what I want to point out that's in this bag. This is a blend of 9 different white grapes, predominantly Chardonnay and Pinot Gris. But it's a very bright, acidic, kind of almost Alsatian-style white. So it pairs well with any kind of Indian food, Mexican food, jambalaya, anything like that. It's just a lovely component for really intense or kind of spicier sort of dishes. And the only other thing I want to point out in this bag, and it's just for personal reasons, is Rascal. Now Rascal is a Pinot Noir, Oregonian Pinot Noir, and they work with the Humane Society, and a lot of the proceeds from these bottles go straight to the Humane Society. So, you know, whenever you can drink and do good, other than like, you know, drunk cleaning your kitchen, I support that. But yeah, this Pacific Northwest bag is going up Friday, today, so keep an eye out for that. We'll be launching a couple of other new wine bags as well, including a Southern Hemisphere wine bag, and I'll be launching a new beer bag as well. In addition to the Beers with Bashir, we're going to be doing a Tart and Tangy bag. For all of you people who've been asking me for sour stuff, this is for you. It's going to be a really cool lineup, and it's going to be about the same price as the Beers with Bashir bag. But we also have some cocktail bags.
Shifting gears, we're going for light and refreshing. You know, as the weather warms up, our cocktails are going to change a little bit. So
as the weather warms up, right now it's 49 degrees. I don't know what it's going to look like tomorrow.
It's probably going to be 65 and sunny.
Yeah, that's right. It's probably going to be 65 and sunny.
Anyways, we have a lovely, refreshing, traditional Moscow margarita bag. And I guess a bourbon spritzer, we'll call it? Bourbon spritzer bag. It has Topo Chico, which is like the quintessential, I don't know, bar soda, I guess.
Yeah.
If you're going to make a cocktail, if you're a bartender, it's almost always Topo Chico.
And it's a great substitute for just regular club soda because it brings a sort of salinity to your cocktail.
Yeah, it's got a nice minerality to it for sure. And should we wait till the end of the video or just do it now? Let's just do it now.
Just do it now.
Surprise.
Rip the Band-Aid off.
Surprise.
Another 4 Roses.
4 Roses. Boom! OBSV, 100 proof, delicious. $49.99. So that is also now available.
Yeah. 8 years, 3 months, a lot of fruit and spice. Just gorgeous.
Yeah.
Y'all have been really liking our barrel picks lately, and this is another one. We'll have more coming over the coming months. We're a little hampered by our inability to go to the distilleries and do barrel picks, but we're working around that as best we can. And I don't know what that means. That's why I just cut from off the camera.
What this file means? You got 5 more barrels already sitting.
There we go.
There you go.
We have 5 more barrels. This is a new thing I'm doing this week. It's called pointing at the audience. 5 more barrels waiting for us to take in. So, you know, y'all just let us know. And let us know by buying our barrels. I'm just sort of meandering at this point. As always, download the app, check the app for barrel releases and for other things we're doing. You can still come into the store, feel free to shop. Call us, we'll put together bags for you. Tim will bring alcohol to your house.
I will. I'll bring it right to your doorstep.
Yeah, I think that wraps up this week's Quarantine Corner. I'm Stephen Gandolfi.
And I'm Timothy Van Riper.
Wash your hands.